Mindset of a trader. This is a longer video about my personal thoughts, how the good trader should look like, and how he should treat this job. And it was the hardest part for me to explain how I see myself. It's based on my past, my whole way from losing trader to the independent one. The first main thing is the trading plan. I hope that all of you have one, and what I want to say is that we all need to listen to ourselves. Just think if independent trader is cheating himself. If your own plan you wrote that 2 losses in a row is closing the platform and going away, listen to this. Listen to your own thing, what you wrote, and if you got one big win, also close. Don't be too greedy. Aiming for over 1 to the 10, it can be like a greed, right? If I read on some forums that traders even don't believe to earn 5% a day. They are telling usually that good profitable trader is making 20-30% a year, but we all here are able to make this in 2 weeks. Don't rush this process. Don't try to go too fast. 1 to the 10 is a 30 pips wave, and this is a lot. And remember that we use only 3 pips stop loss usually. So I believe that the good way is to remove all the stress factors. For me, the holding too long the trade, it can very fast change for something emotional. Sometimes I'm trying to catch 36, 33, but always my favorite wave will be between 15 to 25 pips. This is something that we can catch in less than 1 hour. So don't try to earn too much, just because price can do pullback. You love to make pullbacks after 15, 20 pips. So even the 30 can be dangerous to try to catch. So my advice is to write your rules, to print this and hang close to your screen, and then you can every day, every time see what you wrote, see your own plan. If your trading plan is telling buy sell only from the bigger zone as your entry criteria, where you can look for entries, listen to this. Do not make it, for example, like looking for a buy 8-10 pips below the supply because you expect this move. It's better to wait to reach the main zone, because you remember maybe this the imbalance pools from the intermediate course. These are the tiny areas below supply or above demand where price can reject. So if you are looking to push the price to your equal highs or to your Asian high, don't do this. This is dangerous. Ask yourself how many times before you lost because of this. Yes, this is very dangerous, addictive. You, for example, are waiting for a sell from some obvious price level, and you believe that, yeah, for sure price will go there. Why to wait if I can earn twice? Dangerous, really dangerous. This can be a trap. This can be this imbalance pool. It is better to be patient and wait longer. And also important thing about discipline, and maybe also about fear of missed opportunity. Don't be angry and don't be you're angry to yourself that you are waiting for a buy. You see the big demand zone and price is just falling down, it's melting and zone is invalid. Who could expect this? Yes, we cannot predict the market. Maybe just a few pips before the entry we were looking for, the biggest players removed they buy limit orders. So it's nothing bad. We couldn't predict this move. So don't be angry. And there are two options. Don't trade against your first plan and just close the platform. We don't need to trade every single day. Your view was just wrong. It's happening for me a lot of time. Or if you have more time, wait for the supply which caused the break of the demand. Don't try to catch the swap. This is also dangerous. Wait for the supply and then, as usually, for our pattern. So once again, be disciplined. Don't be angry at yourself. That's because this is making trading emotional. So you were expecting something and it didn't happen. So yeah, I believe that in our strategy it is important to be focused on one way of trading. Yes, if you are in few groups, few communities, be focused on one way. I mentioned this months ago that some group can be focused on buy. We can hear on chat talk that we are preparing for a sell, and at the end you are confused, but both groups earn, yes, win or won. Sorry, and do not make you confused. Even if you lose, this is just another lesson. And one day my good friend told me that the strategy is as good as a trader who uses it, and I completely agree. It is about this following the best setups, the way what is working for you. And for example, I can honestly say that even trading something what is funny for me and not logic, like trading only support and resistance. So if, this is example, if I found that the gold asset few times a week in the first 1 or 2 hours of New York session are respecting the support or resistance and doing double bottom or double top, and the rejection is like 30-50 pips, I will stick to this plan. It is working for me. So I'm not looking for anything else. Same as with our strategy. For the others, it sounds stupid, something impossible. So we are trading with 3 pips stop loss, when traders usually set 15 pips, 20 pips. So their margins of mistake is for me completely wrong setup, and I could catch the wave, totally opposite wave. It's just 15-20 pips. So stick to one thing what is working, what is logic for you. Look for one setup, analyze it, and look only for this. Same as me, yes, I'm looking only for compression and equal highs lows with liquidity grab. I'm not so often joining the market in the middle of nowhere. Sometimes when I have kind of little pressure, yes, I want to take aggressive entry because of many reasons. But I am looking only for this, and my win rate is very high. Okay, so the summary of this slide is the discipline and thinking smart. We're following one good thing. Next thing are goals. How could I start this? This is like we all should ask ourselves why we want to trade. Is do you really and truly want to earn a living from trading? Because this sounds like something dangerous. My family also told me this. If I really treat this so seriously, because here's no monthly fixed payout. Is my future is based only on how I read the charts. And what is this? The market is completely unpredictable. So we need to be sure that this is exactly what we want to do. So similar to the trading plan, it is good to write on paper your goals, what you want to achieve, and something not out of the planet, yes, the normal things. So write this, print this, and hang close to your trading plan. So you have the most important sites close to your screen, yes, and you can see this every single day. So what I did is I visualize every single day what I want to achieve. And yes, this is no secret that I believe in the law of attraction. But it's not like that. I imagine something and I'm waiting, yes, lying on the beach, drinking drinks and just waiting. We need to move to make some steps. So this is not that success will come to you because you visualize this. You need to do something. You need to work very hard. So my first goal when I started my trading adventure, it was not a career but still adventure. My goal was stupid and naive. I just wanted to be rich. Yeah, very simple. I saw all these millionaires on Instagram and I asked myself, wow, how people are stupid. why my friends are not trading? This is so easy. And my trap was that I started with buying signals. Even if few times in a row I won, then I didn't know what is happening on chart. I was just happy, and honestly I had tables on Excel with compounding with the view how my account can grow. Wonderful, yes. I found that 100 can fast change to the 500, then 1000, 10,000, 25,000, and wow, in 5 months I wanted to see me as a millionaire. Bad goal, yes, something unachievable. I was naive and was only blowing account and losing money, not earning. And then I took some things in my hand and I said, now I want to learn. And there was also mistake because my goal was still same. I still wanted to be rich, to live this life, this forex lifestyle, what we can see on the Instagram almost every day. And when I started learning, I already knew that signals are something wrong. So when I found that the trend lines are so wonderful, so powerful, the support, the resistance, the hand and shoulder patterns, I was still thinking that wow, people should trade. This is the best way. So if someone is sharing so wonderful patterns, I didn't accept the loss. So I was moving my stop loss when price was close to it, and yeah, this is like moving the stop loss is like trading without the stop loss. So what was the effect? I still wasn't in the way to be millionaire. I was still losing my hard-earned money, and that was the moment that I had two options: give up or change my goals. Yes, change my whole mindset. How to behave. And then I noticed how unhappy person I was. I was working in the brick factory in England. Then I moved to Germany. I was driver then, the truck driver. I noticed that this is making me sad. When my kid was born in Germany, I realized that we are so far away from grandpas, from family, from motherland, and these all things make me the big feeling to be normal. I wanted to come back to my land and treat trading finally seriously, to start seeing the logic on charts and to be smart. So my goal from millionaire changed to have a just same salary as my last job, to continue my life but with family, without driving so long ways, without delivering the cheese and something like this. So the goal really was something achievable, to earn same as now, and it changed everything. I didn't feel any pressure. I was deeply looking and learning. So yeah, I stopped wanting to be rich. I realized that money is not so important if I want to treat this as a job, the whole trading. And now, I live in a wooden house in the middle of forest, in the middle of nowhere. I don't have swimming pool. I don't have any expensive car or Rolex. I'm just a normal guy. Yes, it was my fear that when I can become rich, I can change as a person. And yes, I still myself. This is very important to not think about money so much. And what I noticed, yes, after moving to my country, I found my first diary, the journaling journal, when I was explaining all my trades, losses, wins, and also there was a side with goals. You know how it is nice after a year or two to find that I want to be back in my land. I want to build my house. I want to be happy. And then you see, damn, I did this. Yes, I achieved my goal. And yes, now my actual goal is also something achievable. So it sounds that I want to be consistent in what I do. So not to be crazy because I have a good living. Something normal. Yes, it still hangs on my wall. Be consistent in what I'm doing. And yes, I can agree that you can create a big account in one day. I did it a few times in the past, but then I lost it even faster. So if you have luck, the success can come in overnight, really. But it is good to rely on knowledge, not on luck. So that's why we react on what we see on the chart. We not predict. We base on knowledge, on our skills. What is coming too quick, we can lose it even faster, right? So the goal need to fit you, to your personality. And it shouldn't have nothing to do with millions. This is just a marketing on Instagram that we all can be millionaires. This is not true. And the sum of goals, because I talked with you a lot. Some of you want to create the group in future. Yes, to trade with your own students, to share your knowledge, because it can differ with what I am sharing, or just your goal. So you need to know how much hate you will receive. This is the saddest thing, and really the people are strange. I know the opinion that about all gurus on Instagram, that there's I wrote this on the paper. Sorry, I need to read this. When everybody is digging for gold, it's good to be in the pick or shovel business. And yeah, someone can send you a message that smart guy, yes, everybody want to look for education, so you are selling this, you are not risking your own money. So this is hate every day, and you need to get these messages. People love to say that why are you selling the course if you are so profitable? Because why not? So I still cannot understand, and I just noticed that people are telling this if they lost more than they could afford, and they just don't believe in Forex anymore. But for me, the creating the first group, when I was on my previous one, the Forex Scalpers, while I was a student there, so I didn't expect so popularity and trust in my person. So it was about my weakness, the over trading. Yes, I love to make me busy by working with others, and now the small 10-15 people group changed to over 250. So this is amazing. And I still become hate. So if your goal is like this, if you want to trade with the others, be be prepared for this. Then some of you want to be doing something else, the mentors. And for me, a good mentor should have also special social skills. So I'm more an educator. I'm just type of shy guy. I love to share the knowledge, but I cannot mentor you. So yeah, the goals are different. Yes, we all are different. It's just examples to something what is possible to achieve. So for example, if you want to make some savings, because not everyone want to be a full-time trader, just trading for some second income. It is good to do sometimes smaller withdrawals to just to reward yourself and to feel that you are going still forward. Next thing in the mindset of a trader, money. This may be controversial topic, but I never met anyone who want to trade as a hobby. Maybe some of you are here, but as I remember, we all have different goals than just a hobby. Most of us learn how to trade to be independent, to treat this as a job, and some guys in here in our community are already working as a day trader, and they just wanted to improve their entries or get the higher rewards. And the smaller percent want to treat this as an extra income. So unfortunately, I don't know how to say this, but this whole trading is about money. So, and then comes the fact about losses. If you want to earn something, we need to be ready to know how much we are able to lose. We need to know this. We need to accept how big amount I can lose. Yes, don't try to set your stop loss more than you can hang. And the big, very often mistake is when people try to calculate before the entry the TP, only this. Yes, so this is like thinking, oh yeah, if this TP will be hit, I will get 250. Great, yes, I can make a living. And this is wrong. Please see the other side. Before the entry, ask yourself if you are ready to lose 50. So, like a question: will it hurt me or not? Yes, it was an example about the 5,000 account. So there is kind of a rule to risk 1%. because if doing correctly you're managing, and yeah, this is almost impossible to blow the account. But this is just the theory. We need to realize if it was hard for us to deposit this money, this such an amount. Hopefully no one is doing this by credit or borrowed money. And yeah, this should be something what you can really lose. Sorry, I need to take a drink. It is longer video. So if your trading plan is telling that you can lose 2 times in a row, we need to also have this in mind. If this not hurts me, we need to be in good mood. After loss there cannot be any panic, yes, and no stress, only acceptable amount. So in my opinion, I wouldn't be focused on the 1% of account, but really truly on the amount I would trade like a pennies. Don't be greedy. This is not like creating the account in month. This is the process. Then you can think about compounding. Also, not every day. The best way is every month, maybe every week. It's up to you, right? But not every day, because if you are compounding every day, then the second day you will lose. This is a bad emotion, as you lose more than you accept the day before. So it's really important to treat the loss as a pennies, because you will close your day even after 2 losses still with good mood. Yes, you lost what you accepted. It really happened to me before a lot of time. But if I am not able to hang the loss, there is a high chances that there will come a fantastic, brilliant idea of revenge. Let's take bigger risk, bigger lot to cover the previous loss. And yeah, then comes the pressure. And what can happen after this? Usually the fresh view was also incorrect, and you bought on top or sold on the bottom, and then finally, I don't know, you lost 5% or more, not just the 1 or 2 is after 2 losses. So then, yeah, the whole plan went bust because of just one stupid revenge. So we cannot be emotionally weak. There cannot be questions. Oh, what have I done? So even because after this, after so stupid decision, when you lost more than you can afford, even the next day when you calmed down, probably your focus will be on that lost 5%. So I'm just telling based on my own experience. Maybe you are stronger, maybe you are different, but I'm telling the truth how it was by me, yes, and do not make my mistakes, and really try to not risk the 1%, but the pennies for you. For some it will be 100, for the other 10, even for someone else it could be one euro. So yeah, as a summary I can say that this is like a domino game. One wrong move can create really very bad consequences. And yeah, about the confidence now. What is with all the people who are saying, I see this every single day on our chat. What is with all the people who are saying, I didn't have enough confidence to jump into the trade. So even if the imagined setup is going in the good way, I see kind of shame that, oh shit, it was good setup, right? Price went in correct direction. So my question is, yes, I know that I'm telling too much, uh, ask yourself what if the risk would be the mentioned pennies, the few cents, or the lowest lot size. Would you try them? Yes. This is my question. Yeah, it need to be reason why you didn't enter. You were probably afraid that you don't want to lose your stop loss. So in my opinion, it can be too high, too big amount you want to risk. Because if you would risk 5 cents, maybe you would try. Yes, if this is a good setup. Maybe you will not agree with me, but I believe that the whole confidence in trading includes two things: money and skills. The skills are based on experience, because I did something for dozens time before. I seen that one setup yesterday, 2 days ago, a week ago, and these three were win setups. So this is my confidence. It were winning setups, and I accept the fact that I can easily lose now this, mentioned before, 50 euros, because I can hang this. And if so, yes, if I would lose, I need to deeply look for a reason. What was the difference between today's trade with the setup I found yesterday, a week ago? Maybe I missed something. Maybe my zones were drawn in a different way. Or it was just my bad luck. So important. Sorry, I'm talking too much about money in trading, but without jumping into the trade, we cannot make a progress. This is important. Yes, we are learning by practice. To feel at first, at beginnings, the small pressure to control our losses, as if I feel good with 50 or maybe 10 euros. Without this practice, we will only see the missing setups, and you will still be on the same level of in your learning process. So please listen to your plan as well, and about the amount of number of entries you are doing. I know that practice is practice, but listen to your plan. Usually in our plan is 1 or 2 trades a day. Maybe some of you have 3 trades. So practice is practice, but the trading plan is the number one. All rules are number one in your plan. And remember that trading is highly addictive. This is really like drugs, alcohol, and everything what was the worst things in the world. Be disciplined. This is really the key. And this is the last slide. I want to thank you all. Thank you for all the trust you put in me. So now is really the time that you need to put all these puzzles together and to practice. It could be a very long process. I never said that you can be a good trader after a month. So just in simple words, don't rush what is to come. Trust in this process. And what can I say more? You are in really better position than I was. You don't have to look for a strategy from scratch, spend tens of hours to find something what works in the long term. The key is your discipline, engagement, what else? The willingness to achieve your goals, normal goals. So try to be mature. We all are mature in normal terms. We have families, we have kids, we have jobs. But I mean mature as a trader. You can easily lost all your money, yes, and bigger part of our group already did this in the past, so we know how it can hurt. And from my side, you have my blueprint. I hope that this course is an understandable form, so you have also my support, and what is wonderful, you have also support from the whole group, and which is in a really high level. I'm very, very positively surprised how the community here is working together. If I'm absent, then I'm reading the chat, I am, wow, just speechless. You are recording videos, you are sending help to each other. Some are even doing Zoom between you. Wow, this is high level of support. So not only from my side, but from your also. So thank you for this. So at the end, I just want to say, after this long video, and please don't forget to watch the summary of the day. These videos are like endless lessons, and just please be sure that you enrolled to all 5 sections in the member zone. Keep going, guys, and thank you.